Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, now it's on y'all.
Rock, paper. Wait. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No.
Dang, Jordy, did you make a mess out here or what?
Oh yeah.
So what happens when you have a double header of racing, huh?
Oh yeah.
Get a little mud on it. All right, we are working on halfway through the week after Jordan's return to racing. Did you have fun?
Did.
Oh, that's good.
Learned a lot.
Did you tear anything up? Not really. That's even better.
Right front shock mount broke a little bit.
Oh, we weld that back up. You'll be good. Anyway, we had a bit of a weird video there where we went to Southern Raceway with Jordan Friday night. That event didn't happen. Then Jordan went on Saturday night to Tri-County, and so we sent a camera with him, had the mount on the car, sent the camera with him, and Jordan just had an in-car from Tri-County. So thanks for letting us tag along for that anyway. I hate we couldn't go up there and race with you Saturday night at Tri-County. Nonetheless, we did finally have some footage of Jordan racing. So if nothing else, you made your debut in-car footage on Hunt the Front.
Yep.
Did you feel weird having people watching you?
Yeah,
Did you think about that as you were rolling out onto the track? All these people are gonna watch me wheel this thing. Well, I'd say you did all right, all things. Hey,
All right.
I was telling Jordan, he kind of reminded me of you.
Oh yeah, that ain't good.
You know, the in-car video.
Yeah. Hot beef.
Yeah.
Tall man.
Oh, hey, that's all part of it. All part of the growing pains.
Hey, you finished though, right?
I did.
Yeah, top 10. Top 10, made all the laps. Stayed on the lead lap. I'd say that's a plus. That's a win for Jordy.
Good. Jordan, did you build the motor?
I did.
Jordan built the motor.
And it's been running this whole time, knock on wood.
Yeah, I think that's the strongest piece in this
What's the
thing.
plan now, Jordy? We putting her in the trailer?
Yeah,
Out of the way for the time being?
For a little while.
Yeah.
Till maybe the
Get another chance to race.
shop opens up a little bit. Put it on some scales.
Got some long acre scales you can use.
There you go. There's an update, recap for Jordy. Good run this weekend, made laps, all the laps, with nothing falling off the car other than his tack falling in his lap. We didn't get that.
Did you see it? I was in the feature race and it popped me out of high.
Gosh.
It popped me out of high on the restart. And
That is not good.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, he told me, you look in the in-car, you might see the
The
tack fall in my lap.
Did
Well, the
you see
in-car,
it?
no, the in-car got covered
Oh,
up.
crap.
So.
the car got covered up like
Lap one.
Gosh.
Hey, we got a four-wheeler for these things. I know you got a winch.
There now.
You got a winch with the forklift battery in it. Whoa. Might want to stick that battery on the charger, Jordy. I wonder where those came from. Jordan, you got your eye on a race coming up, or you looked at the schedule?
I haven't really looked at the
Yeah,
schedule.
I know we're going to be wide open with the late models. Yeah, we're going to be wide open with the late models, but
At least till October.
yeah. Well, hey, I'll give it time to cool off.
Yeah.
Then you can go racing again.
Hey Jordan, question.
Yeah.
At this point, you've raced. You ain't raced at Deep South yet, have you?
I have not.
Okay, well, so far you've raced at 3 of our local tracks. Which one's your favorite? Baker, Southern, or...
Well, let's start with he likes them all. But
Yeah,
if you had to pick one,
They're all pretty good. I like them all. I think my favorite's Baker.
Baker,
Yeah.
Northwest Florida
I
Speedway.
think the first night of the Clash, if that wreck didn't happen,
Oh, yeah.
I think I could have got in the show pretty easily.
Right.
I just felt very comfortable, and the car kind of came to me, and it just was
Yeah,
everything together. I felt like I could do.
there you go. Well, maybe we'll have a race you can go to up there for the end of the year.
Yeah.
Now that the modified racing is situated for a little while, we're going to get back to work on super late models, because we are going this Saturday night to Duck River Raceway Park. It is the second half of the Hunt the Front Super Dirt Series, and it kicks off this weekend, Saturday night, August 5th, 20,000 to win. It's the Deep Fried 75 at Duck River. If you can't be there to watch it live in person, it will be on huntthefront.tv. We got a big month coming up in August. with a bunch of racing. HuntTheFront.tv to watch the live stream this weekend at Duck River.
Are you like talking some crazy stuff?
I was wondering what we're doing with our tape.
Somebody didn't arc it, Jesse.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wait, what?
We're changing.
yeah. Some Yates taught
This
us.
is the experiment.
Ralph.
Experimental?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna leave it, not tell them what?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta wait till the experiment.
It doesn't matter. It all moves together.
Yeah.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So that tape will still be there at the end of the race, theoretically.
Theoretically,
As
yeah.
long as the wheel don't turn.
Y'all are freaking stupid.
Yeah, y'all lost me too. All right. So, and on a serious note, I'm not sure what the tape is about, but what are we doing today?
Working.
Working. What car are we racing?
This one.
This one.
Ain't nothing wrong with this car.
We've looked it over from head to toe, bow to stern,
Candy king.
can to can't, bumper to bumper.
Just a bad tire choice.
Oh, our Sonoya performance?
Yeah.
Well, whose choice was that?
Sounds like a Jesse.
The fronts.
It was a team decision.
Yeah, okay.
I do have footage.
Everybody out here's on a 55. Okay. Okay. You want me to go get the tire and change it? Nope. Okay.
Okay, boss.
Okay, boy.
Good luck.
Go get him.
We'll be watching.
Yeah. Straight into the back.
All right, the last time we ran this car was Sonoya, and we had something a little off in qualifying that set us back. Got that situated, went to the front, well, toward the front, made up ground in the B main, and then in the feature at Sonoya was when we just couldn't get out the dang way. But we're pretty sure that was a bad tire choice. Regardless, this is the car, the newer Longhorn with the J. Dickens engine is what we'll be running Saturday night at Duck River.
Had a good run going.
Where
man,
at?
bro.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Yeah, last time we were there, we won a heat and
Had a flat.
had a
I
flat.
think we qualified second in our group.
Yeah.
2C right, I think.
Yes, running third, fourth right there. Battling for third.
Had a flat.
Had a flat. This time though, $20,000 is on the line. So we're gonna be even faster and we're gonna keep air in the tire. And how do I know we're gonna be faster? Cause we're changing spark plugs. That look like you want it to look?
Fine.
Look good to you? What y'all think, YouTube? Hey, YouTube.
Facebook, YouTube.
Facebook, YouTube.
What y'all think? Look good?
Just like that, a simple spark plug swap.
Should run better now.
Wow. How hard would it be for us to grab this helmet blower off and put it on that car? Not hard. You hook it all up. There's a
You got a
switch.
wire.
There's a switch in there that says fan.
No. What you're trying to say?
It just be getting hot.
I was about to say what you're trying to say with this heat wave. We need our
Just be getting a little toasty.
our driver cooling fan.
Yeah. Can we do that? Yeah.
So we decided to get this one off this car, off Jesse's car.
He don't need it. It's not a race.
Well, and on top of that, he doesn't have a blower. You don't have a blower spout on your helmet?
No.
Well, what you got a blower on your car for? That must have been from back when Joseph was driving it.
Yeah.
Hey, make sure our
It's got some sand in it.
yeah, make sure our filter's
I'm
clean.
feeling cooler already.
We could leave the wire in case he decides to.
Yeah, I think it's easier to, but problem is all the stuff I need to build this wire
Mm-hmm.
is in the truck.
Oh yeah.
And the truck is not here.
Here currently. We had to take the truck and trailer to have some work. Main thing on the trailer being the liftgate. We got that fixed. We just haven't got it back yet. So we can't build a wire because all that stuff's in the trailer. So we're just gonna rob the wire off of here. One of these days, Jesse's gonna drive this car again.
Drive it. Well, hell, my dang carburetor got sold off of it.
Well, I know where there's another one. Clear?
Yeah, it's real nice and easy.
Okay.
Easy, easy.
I'm gonna pull the ends off of it.
Hold on.
Kind of tight. Got it?
Oh, then. Now we're good.
We can put a new
There you
end
go.
on it.
Got it?
Yep.
Yeah, we got our wires. You need help up or you got it? Let me slide by you. Hey, Dale. Hey, Dale, what's going on, man?
I noticed Ricky Thornton's got one of these.
Oh, yeah? That's why he's been waiting. Y'all hear that? This is what RTJ's got.
Oh.
I mean, I don't know if it's this specific one, but
Probably gonna have to go up through. Oh shoot, it's gonna go way back there. We gotta take this piece off too.
hey, watch out, that's high voltage. Hey, we got a dual system in here?
Oh yeah, we don't know how to use it, but yeah.
I didn't realize we had two.
Alright, this guy right here
MFD
is far as
systems.
switch. Can you see those wires, Jordan? Poking in there.
Yeah, I see him. I'm looking right at him.
Well, get them, Jesse.
There, you can reach.
Here. I'm just kidding.
Kind of scared me there for a
If
second.
you look,
It
in
says
the,
high voltage right there. And
if you look in the dash, that big switch right here says
Yes.
fan. So I'd imagine that's what you'd want to hook on it.
that would make sense.
Can you see ignition?
Nope, wrong switch.
There it is.
Oh yeah. No, turn it back on. There you go.
Oh, you're looking faster already.
Woo! Perfect.
Blow my hair.
Refreshing.
Yep.
Get closer.
No.
You keep on, we're going to have to put Jesse in this car.
Wait a minute.
What are you doing? Oh,
Wall it out.
yeah.
It's too fat to sit on.
Second lunch catching up with it.
That ain't- Wrong one.
Another one.
Good.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. Even better.
Just hot air.
Ain't pulling on you?
Nope.
Feels good?
Yep.
Looks good.
I do it like that.
Just like that.
This is why every race team needs them a Jesse. Someone need to get to that hard to reach spot. Let the 120-pound soaking wet guy do it.
Listen, I'm about 45.
Okay.
2 zigzags. Baby, that's all you need.
Stand there.
Well, to get to that one I did.
Good?
Like that right there.
Hey, this needs a new side.
Right there.
Says so right there. This one doesn't look good. We're sizing up our hood. Where were we racing when this happened? Honda Road. First race of the trip. Heat race. Had a little fender bender and put a gash in our hood underneath there. There's a slice. The good news is we got a brand new hood right there from 5 Star Composite. Is that what they call this?
Good. Alright. Leave you a little bit around the edge. Might get somebody who did this. Like, you talking about old Mike Hendon.
Keep switching up on me, Jesse.
I'm doing a circle.
Oh, is that what's going on here?
Yeah.
1 minute you're pushing one way, the next you're pushing the other. Can't get anywhere like that.
Okay.
Now.
Now.
Oh, there you go.
That it?
That it is.
What's poking through over here?
Hey, you just keep on hitting it, you don't even have to drill it.
There you go.
Found it.
Okay. There you have it. Should it. Now, in theory, it should just sit right on there.
In theory. Ooh.
You ready?
I like it if y'all like it.
Yeah.
Down, close our gaps.
Put your hood pin washers on it and your scoop, and we'll be ready to go.
Yep.
So I missed all the pretty work, but there is the finished product with our new 5 Star composite hood. Got our base racing fuel sticker on it. Got her laid down flat, sealed off, looking sharp, ready to go racing. The other thing that's ready to go racing is our truck and trailer. We're good? Ready to hit?
I got a bit of good. Oh, we ain't got no power. About you got any power? You got no power?
Turn.
Well,
Hey, wait.
You gotta unplug
You're about
you gotta switch the plug.
I switched the plug.
he's about to say you got a bit of good news and then the lights didn't come on.
Yeah.
All right, now we're ready.
Okay.
Good news.
Yeah, more good news on top of that. While the truck was out there running out of propane, and all the stuff in the fridge was totally off.
Great.
And it smells like rotten eggs in there.
So,
hey,
somebody got to
let's have a
empty
rock,
the
paper,
fridge.
scissors tournament real quick on who's cleaning
Here,
the fridge.
I'll stand back and video.
Who's going first?
Alright, you
Don't
ready?
shoot.
Oh my god!
All right, me and you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right.
All right, now it's on y'all.
Rock, paper. Wait. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No.
How's that
my head? You see my head? You see my head? He threw paper late.
It's you and
He
Dusty.
threw paper late.
Get out of here. It's you. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No.
It's been on at least 10 minutes.
Is it that bad?
I want to review that tape. I guarantee you, he threw paper after he seen my rock.
Yeah, so the real good news, is that a brand new?
Brand new.
Spanking new. So we had issues with our liftgate not opening. Well, not working right. And we're thinking that has been fixed thanks to our good friends at the Milton forklift.
I could open the gate from my
That
house.
you could take it up there with, yeah. I don't think the real issue, yeah, wash that thing. The real issue was the cord, but it's good to have a new cable.
And
Also new is our plug-in here.
Nice and tight.
Yeah. I think the old one was our issue. We tried a different remote and that didn't fix our problem. Either way, we're about to find out if she's working, which we're pretty sure it is. They told us it was working. So, but hey, let's go. Let's do it.
The suspense. Dusty's getting it.
Oh, is
Doing
it?
good, Dusty. Staggering over there.
So the problem we had was that remote right there got wet. Well, the plug-in in there all got wet, and then the remote had a mind of its own. This is why we did. Hey, don't fall from there. See, this is what I was talking about, where everybody needs a 120-pound Jesse on their team.
yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, the liftgate issue was why we did not run the supercar at Why Not, and Joseph only ran the Hollands modified. But we're thinking we're good now. You inspecting it all?
It's working.
Yeah.
Look there. Like it.
Working like it's supposed to. Jordan, everything good over there?
I think so.
No issues so far. So we got our trailer back and we gotta get it cleaned out. We got a mess in here, but our lift gate works. We can load up and go racing. Think we're in good shape on that.
Yeah, for that mostly. All right, let's maybe that one right there. You got a right front 2 already and a left rear 2 already, and then it's a right rear 3 right here. The right front. Yeah, right.
All right, you got tire works to do? Hey, well, at least it's 78 degrees in here and not 98.
Much nicer.
We got that going for us. How bad was the fridge and freezer?
Fridge wasn't too bad.
Freezer was the
But
problem.
Jesse forgot to finish his ice cream.
Was it mine?
That was your ice cream.
I promise it wasn't.
Stank.
I promise it wasn't.
It wasn't.
Oh,
That was
bad.
Joseph's.
He knew about it, and that's so much why he went first. Wasn't gonna do it.
Sorry, Jordy. I had to throw a bunch of Uncrustables away.
The good news is our propane tank is full and our race cars are ready to go racing. Our lift gate is working. We are going to Duck River Raceway Park. You can watch it live on Hunt the Front TV Saturday night, August 5th. Come out and see us if you're in the area. Got a big month of racing. If you haven't tried Hunt the Front TV yet, this is the time to do it. We got 8 races coming up and you can get them all in the next 5 weeks. And if you sign up now, the day you're seeing this, 1 monthly subscription gets you all of those races. Anyway, y'all wish us luck as we kick off the second half of the Hunt the Front Super Dirt series. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all later.